Well, Christmas was awesome, and my wife bought me this socket set, which was on my wish list. The reason I wanted this additional socket set is because I want to be able to carry this really cool Achtung Kraft tool pouch with me in my air-cooled Porsche, so that when it does eventually break down, I have all the tools I need. It doesn't currently have a socket set in there, and what I'd like to do is I'd like to fit all the sockets that I need into this little pouch here. And as you can see, this case is way too big for that. And given that I only need the metric ones, I thought I could 3D print something. So my first idea was this design, which honestly wasn't all that inspired. Because even though it kind of works, it's still pretty wide, so it's not going to fit in that pouch I showed you. And also, it doesn't really do anything to fit the rest of my the gear, so the actual ratchet and this extension arms, and also these bits that came with the toolkit. So I went back to the drawing board. Okay, and this is the final result. Everything kind of stays in there. I mean, these kind of wiggle in and out a little bit, but that's kind of nice for getting them in and out. And the back kind of just snaps in. I'm gonna probably put a piece of rubber band around the bottom part here, because it'll actually hold it together a little bit better. And then I managed to squeeze in the extension here at the bottom, which is a nice tight fit, and it will stay in place. And I may have to reprint it to kind of get these to stay in a little bit better, but for the most part, it seems to have been a complete success. I'd call that a success. Everything now fits in here, and it is super compact.